People often wonder, what is the least tax that I can pay? That's what I want to put you through now. It's called minimum tax. Now, assuming you're running a company and you have a revenue, that's the total sales that you have made for a year. I'll just give you a very simple formula of the minimum tax you can pay. Take that revenue and divide it by 667. Simple. 667. Use it and divide it, and it gives you an idea of the minimum tax you can pay. So if you have 10 billion to pay, if 10 billion as your revenue, it means that the minimum tax you can pay is 13 million naira. That sounds quite simple, but it's not all this simple. There are some complexities that go with it. You should have exceeded some number of years in business before this will apply. There are some reliefs if you've not reached this number of years in business. And number two is, if your business is a small business, in this case, it has sales, total sales over a year of less than 50 million, maybe it's 49,999,000. Your minimum tax is 0 naira. And if you also do not have assets, that's the total things you have with which you do your business, your cars, your building, your equipment, and all the what have you, if they are totally valued and it is less than 150 million, you also have 0 naira to pay. Probably I should stray a bit to talk about individuals. For individuals, we know that somewhere around 1.3, 1.5 million should be subtracted from what you earn in a year normally before the rest of it can be subjected to tax. Because in addition to the 800,000 that is subject to 0% taxation, there is your housing allowance of 500,000. There is the money you pay for healthcare if it is NHIS, or the money you pay to National Housing Fund, or the one you save for your pension. All of these are going to be subtracted from your income in that year. That's your annual income. It is the rest of it that will ultimately be subjected to tax. Remember, this minimum tax approach only applies when your business is running at a loss. That is for big businesses, those with turnovers in excess of 50 million. Those with turnovers that are less than 50 million, it applies for you whether you're making a profit or you're making a loss. If you improve your knowledge on some of these things, you will not be really afraid of new tax regime that is coming up. We're here always to help you. Do not forget, once again, I am Onyebichi Maduagu, the financial guru. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like us, and share this message. It's a big relief to people. Hope to see you once again on the next episode of What We Do. Thank you.